It's just like a skirt strand. I want to say, what was the last Monday? It feels like this for like a half hour, even heavier than this. Well, I just figured as long as we had Dan with us, we should make it memorable.
That's right.
Oh, you had to go there.
At least it's not hiking. Inhale.
Hiking a hill is icy.